Hey, this is Ben Beasley with Team Beasley. We're still at 1255 Aguajito, and we had a couple. First of all, thank you for all watching our live stream video, our first virtual open house. We had some great questions. Leslie Everett, we love you. You wanted to get a picture, actually a live video of the stream, the artisanal stream that's right there. You can hear it. And then Bill Bloom asked us a great question if you can rent out the artist studio. Bill, there's no water. You can't right now. But we believe that you can actually put something on top of the garage or add an additional structure down the road. I will find out more information and send it to you directly, Bill. But let's go look at the stream, Shan. And they just recently opened this all up for us, so it's even better than it used to be. And I believe that stream never goes dry. Okay, guys, that's all I have for right now. Any other questions you have on this or any other property or anything else, just let us know, and then we will get back to you. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.